हैप्पी सैटरडे पीपल, आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM। मेरा नाम है स्वाति और मैं लेके आई हूँ शो जो कि बहुत नया है, बहुत खास है। शो का नाम है जिंदगी हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग विथ डॉक्टर बिंदिया। मैं आपको बता दूं, डॉक्टर बिंदिया हैज बीन अ फिजिशियन फॉर 27 years एज वेल एज अ रिसर्चर, एजुकेटर एंड एन ऑथर। उनका एक्सपर्टीज है पीडियाट्रिक्स और नियोनेटोलॉजी में, पर उन्होंने बहुत रिसर्च की है और लिखा है नेचुरल एंड होलिस्टिक हेल्थ के बारे में। उन्होंने अभी कुछ ही दिन पहले सर्व किया एज अ डायरेक्टर ऑफ कम्युनिटी एजुकेशन एट VMC एंड क्लिनिकल एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर एफिलिएटेड विद स्टैनफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी। और वो अभी फिलहाल हेल्दी सेंटर फाउंडेशन को डायरेक्ट कर रही हैं और सून शी इज गोइंग टू बी होल्डिंग health seminars all over the Bay Area. So without much ado, let me welcome Dr. Bindiya into the show. And welcome to the show, Doctor. कैसे हैं आप?
Thank you very much, Swati. I'm well, and I hope you're well too.
Yes, and that is what we are here for. आप हमें बताएंगी well-being के बारे में, health के बारे में. So what do you have for our listeners? What should Radio Zindagi listeners expect from this 1 hour of well-being?
So, Swati, we all know that when we lose some money, we have lost nothing.
Ji.
When we lose health, we have lost something. But when we lose our character, and to me that's part of our health, which is spiritual health, we have lost everything. So I'm hoping that during our discussions over the next several weeks, we'll be able to bring back health in our life, both physically, mentally and spiritually. अब इस प्रोग्राम के जरिए हम क्या अकम्प्लिश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं? Obviously, the only thing we can give is information. You know, this information is like seeds. अगर आप जेब में लेके घूमेंगी तो प्लांट नहीं बनेगा.
बिल्कुल.
So आपको सीड्स लेके प्लांट करना है. Then you'll see the tree and you'll see the fruits.
Very nicely said.
And इसी से concerned एक स्टडी करी थी हार्वर्ड साइंटिस्ट ने. About 2007 में पब्लिश हुई थी साइकोलॉजिकल साइंसेस में. और उसमें उन्होंने क्या किया, जो लोग काम कर रहे थे और उनके हेल्थ के लिए बेनिफिशियल था, उन्होंने उस ग्रुप को 2 में डिवाइड किया. टू वन ग्रुप दे टोल्ड दिस इज बेनिफिशियल फॉर योर हेल्थ एंड द अदर वन डिड नॉट नो अबाउट इट. एंड आफ्टर अ फ्यू मंथ्स दे फॉलोड देम अप टू सी how they felt. Were they feeling well? Were they feeling happy? So interestingly, the group which knew that the activity that they're undertaking is going to promote their health and well-being, they were happier than the other group. So the first thing I'm hoping that this program can do is bring to your attention what's good for you. And हो सकता है आप already वो कर रहे हो. तो just knowing कि आप सही चीज कर रहे हो will make you feel good and make you feel happy and you'll feel well. The second aspect I'm hoping, in case there are some simple and easy steps you can take in your habits which will change your health for the better, then why not know about it so you can implement it. So these will be very simple and easy tips. And I hope that over a period of several weeks, you will see the difference. Now, I do want to caution you, all of those out there who may be on some medications for some health or seeing doctors for certain medical illnesses, this is not a substitute for those visits and those medications. Now, over a period of time, as you see your health improving, you may be able to go to your doctor and say, okay, my blood pressure is now better. Do you think I still need? So please do not make any drastic changes in your medications or other health-related advice that you're seeking from doctors. But over a period of time, as you feel better, maybe your doctor himself will decide, oh, maybe you don't need this medication. But, Swati, if I have to put it down in one song, here's what I'm hoping, that we come crying into this world, and by the end of this show, we'll go laughing. तो मेरा एक favorite song है, मुकद्दर का सिकंदर से, वो मैं आपको सुनाना चाहूंगी.
Yes, listen to this very nice number and come right back on Zindagi Health and Wellbeing with Dr. Bindiya. कहीं मत जाइए, जुड़े रहिए. जिंदगी रेडियो जिंदगी 1550 AM पर हम लेंगे एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा गाना सुनेंगे और वापस आएंगे ऑन जिंदगी हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग विद डॉक्टर बिंदिया। जिए जा।
रोते हुए आते हैं सब, रोते हुए आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा वो मुक़द्दर का सिकंदर, वो मुक़द्दर का सिकंदर जाने मन कहलाएगा। रोते हुए आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा। वो सिकंदर क्या था जिसने जुल्म से जीता जहां, वो सिकंदर क्या था जिसने जुल्म से जीता जहां, प्यार से जीते दिलों को वो झुका दे आसमां, जो सितारों पर कहानी प्यार की लिख जाएगा। वो मुक़द्दर का सिकंदर, वो मुक़द्दर का सिकंदर जाने मन कहलाएगा। रोते हुए आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा। जिंदगी तो बेवफा है, एक दिन ठुकराएगी। जिंदगी तो बेवफा है, एक दिन ठुकराएगी। मौत महबूबा है, अपने साथ लेकर जाएगी। मर के जीने की अदा जो दुनिया को सिखलाएगा। वो मुक़द्दर का सिकंदर, वो मुक़द्दर का सिकंदर जाने मन कहलाएगा। रोते हुए आते हैं सब, हंसता हुआ जो जाएगा।
वाओ, उस गाने से ना पूरे जो शो का मूड सेट हो गया है. सो आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस सॉन्ग. बट आपने कहा रोते हुए आएंगे सब और आए हैं सब, हंसते हुए सब जाएंगे. ये सब होगा कैसे? आपने तो बहुत सिंपली कह दिया. सो हाउ इज दिस गोना हैपन?
So Swati, it is truly as simple as that. But it'll need a little bit of understanding. Okay? And I told you about mental, physical and spiritual aspects of our existence. I'm going to emphasize most on mental aspect. And the reason is, if you have the right thoughts, or for that matter, if you're not thinking too much, you will be able to transcend a disturbed mind and completely enjoy everything around you. अब ये thoughts आते कहाँ से हैं? That's the question.
जी.
Because if we know where they come from, maybe we can set them straight.
Right.
And go from a crying to a laughing mode. So we have a very important structure called brain. And it's made up of thousands of billions of neurons. The brain structure itself has been divided into a cerebrum, the top portion, a limbic system, a brainstem, and a cerebellum. Thoughts mainly arise in the cerebrum, the frontal cortex.
Okay.
But it is also connected to a lower portion called the limbic system. Now, when you are using a lot of limbic system, that is the seat of emotions. And it's in this area, when you overuse it, when it goes out of control, that you start feeling distressed. The normal state of a human being is peace and joy. But because most of the time, we are so associated with our thinking that we miss the beauty around us, whether it's in a person or a thing, and we are so caught up in our own thoughts. So इससे मुझे एक story याद आ रही है कि Monday को people reported to work.
जी.
And there was a sign the company had put up. We have 2 bad news and 1 good news. The 2 bad news is, firstly, our company is not doing well. And number 2, the person who was responsible for that, for stopping our progress, has recently died over the weekend. So the good news is that now we have hope since that person is dead. So everybody was curious. Who died? And, now we are going to do well.
Yeah.
Who was stopping our progress? So there was, in the middle of a hall, a coffin. And all the employees had to line up to pay their last homage to the person who had died. So one by one, everybody passed by. And as they passed, their mouth opened wide and their eyes got wide as they looked into the coffin. So everybody's like, who is that? So this person standing is, who is that? As he got to the coffin, his also face got so red and eyes wide and mouth fell. Over there was a mirror. And above that mirror was written, it's your ego which is preventing your progress. Kill it and we will progress. So where does this ego reside? This ego resides in the limbic system. And all the thoughts which are related to I, me, are usually negative thoughts. Why? Because that ego feels threatened for survival. And it'll bring in fear. Fear about future. It'll think about the past. Now, the fact is that neither the past is true anymore, neither the future has come.
Right.
What is now is the only truth.
Ji.
And once you start living in the moment, then it's all bliss. There's no problem. But you may just sit here and think, oh my goodness, yesterday she said this to me, and you know what, that was not right. Tomorrow when I meet her, I'm going to set it straight, and this and that, and our minds just go on and on and on. And you realize that just by transcending that limbic system, we can live in the moment. And how are we going to do that easily? You know, it's easy said. Seems like, easy said than done. And yes, it is easy said than done. But if you understand the concept that we are going to shut off this emotional mind, live with our intelligence, which is in the higher frontal cortex, or you can just be conscious. You don't have to think. You know,
so you are saying, या तो सही सोचो या तो सोचो मत.
Yes,
right?
बिल्कुल.
But वही ऐसे how do you practice this? ऐसे कैसे मतलब कैसे बोलोगे अरे ईगो को मैं I me myself के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगी, मैं पास्ट के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगी, फ्यूचर के बारे में नहीं सोचूंगी. How would you advise our listeners कि कैसे करें बंद ये थिंकिंग, या फिर कैसे करें ये ईगो को बीच में नहीं लाना, या फिर you said जो गलत जगह है ब्रेन की, how do we stop using that?
हाँ, स्वाति मैं अगर आज सब कुछ बता दूंगी फिर तुम्हें नेक्स्ट मुझे बुलाओगी नहीं. So yes, one thing at a time. But here's what we can start with. We have, our mind has, now we, when I'm saying I have to define we, you know, because that's what we are also the body.
Right.
We are also the mind and we are also our soul. So we meaning the mind aspect. Okay. We have a conscious mind. Okay, which is pure consciousness. That means you just look at something and you are not associating it with anything. आपने जैसे सामने मेरे ये पर्पल डेकोरेशन है, मैं बस वो पर्पल डेकोरेशन देख रही हूँ, उसके साथ मैं किसी कोई एसोसिएशन करने की जरूरत है नहीं मुझे, क्योंकि इट्स ब्यूटीफुल, आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट. ठीक है. सो इधर आई गो इन माई स्टे इन माई कॉन्शियस माइंड, और I use my intelligent mind, in which my intelligence is aware of the surroundings. It has associations, but I don't need to say, ye purple wo hai. I don't need to go any further with my associations. Mm-hmm. Okay? So this will come with experience and practice. But the first thing that you're doing right now is bringing it to the attention of your mind. Ki you're not just your thoughts of the past and the future, because that's untrue.
Gee.
That doesn't even exist this moment. तो तुम सूडो वर्ल्ड में हो, तुम माया जाल में फंसे हुए हो. Now, I'm not going to take you into that spiritual aspect, but very simply, here's what you do. Any thought which crosses your mind, you analyze it. Why am I having the thought? It's not, I don't need it right now. And you judiciously use your brain in the right direction. So the first thing is to shine the light on that aspect of your brain that, you know what, I don't need this. It's not feeling well. Because what happens is if you have a wrong thought, every thought comes with a feeling. Okay? If you're not feeling happy or blissful, if you're feeling angry, or then you look at the thought. There's always a thought behind that feeling. And you address the thought. And when you look at your mind, how will you going to make it better? So I'm going to divide it into 3 aspects. One is attitude. One is addressing your thoughts and habits. And third, I'm going to talk about is living in a stress-free mind. But for this show, since I don't have that much of a time to elaborate only on the mind, I would like to bring to your attention one of the very important sayings that Gandhiji said. He said, you're not fully dressed until you have put on your smile. So if you're not smiling, just think you're not fully dressed. And why am I not smiling? Then you will go to your thought, oh, I have a wrong thought. That's why I'm not smiling. And I'm going to correct it. And if I have to put it in a song, this is one of my most favorite songs, and if people seriously listen to it, every word of it, it'll get you started on the right path of mental health. So let's put on this next song.
अगला गाना हम सुनेंगे जो कि डॉक्टर विंध्या का फेवरेट गाना है. आप एंजॉय कीजिए गाना और वापस आइए ऑन जिंदगी हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग विथ डॉक्टर विंध्या. आप इनके बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी जानने के लिए आप लॉग इन कर सकते हैं healthycenter.org. एंजॉय दिस ब्यूटिफुल ट्रैक एंड कम राइट बैक ऑन जिंदगी हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग विथ डॉक्टर विंध्या. जिए जा.
करती हो ना?
ये भी कोई पूछने की बात है?
तुम मुझसे मोहब्बत करती हो, मैं तुमसे। बाकी सब किस्मत पर छोड़ दो।
क्यों खड़ी हो? हमारा इंतजार हो रहा है, जरा इधर तो आओ। कहाँ चाहिए जाने मन, मेरे पास तो आओ।
जलील, तुझे मालूम नहीं शरीफ लड़कियों से कैसे बात की जाती है?
आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है. दैट इज व्हाट डॉक्टर बिंदिया एंड द सॉन्ग इज सेइंग. मेरे साथ हैं डॉक्टर बिंदिया जो कि हमारे साथ बात कर रही है हेल्थ और वेलबींग के बारे में. ब्रेक में जाने से पहले हमने बात की एटीट्यूड की, माइंड की, एंड यू सेड इट्स ऑल अबाउट द माइंड. इज इट एवरीथिंग इज इन द माइंड?
So it definitely starts with the mind. Because if your mind is well controlled and peaceful, तो एक तो आपको ये terrible diseases associated with blood pressure है, stress related है, आजकल तो even कह रहे हैं cancer, heart attacks, they're all related with excessive stress in our life. Okay?
Right.
So with the right attitude, you can definitely diminish your stress because क्या है, if you have the right attitude, it sets the tone of what thoughts you're going to have. अगर आपका एटीट्यूड ही नेगेटिव है तो क्या होगा? थॉट्स भी नेगेटिव आएंगे. अच्छा, अब विद द थॉट्स यू टेक एक्शन. अगर आपके नेगेटिव थॉट्स हैं, आपके एक्शंस अकॉर्डिंगली होंगे. भाई मैं तो एक्सरसाइज कर ही नहीं सकती, मैं तो डाइटिंग कर ही नहीं सकती, ये तो मेरे इट्स यूजलेस, मेरे से फायदा भी नहीं ट्राई करना है. हाँ, आप ऐसे कह सकते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड, इफ यू द पॉजिटिव, यस आई कैन डू इट, बिकॉज विद द राइट एटीट्यूड यू हैव द राइट थॉट्स. नाउ इफ विद द थॉट्स comes your action. And with repeated actions becomes a habit. Okay? And with the habit, you make your personality and your character. And with the right personality and character, you sow your destiny. So it starts with the attitude and it ends with destiny. So if you really want to get anywhere in life, first get your attitude right. And we will dedicate a whole section, and I'm going to tell you from A to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, those aspects that you can put in your life and implement and then get the right attitude if you don't have it already. I hope a lot of my listeners have that attitude already.
And if they don't, listening to our show, unka pakka attitude bahut acha bana jayega. Very nicely said, Bindya ji. You said, how these things are connected. Attitude se thoughts connected hai, thoughts se action connected hai. Very nicely said. But what I want to ask you next is is it only about mind, ya fir there are other aspects to it as well?
Definitely. Body is a very important aspect. क्योंकि आप देखेंगे कोई भी भगवत गीता की बुक देखिए, उसमें क्या है? एक चैरियट बना हुआ है, right? And our body is like a chariot. Now, if we are going to be existing on this materialistic world while we are traveling through the earth, we may have more travels to do in another, heavenly, who knows. But at least while we are on earth, and since this show is on earth, we definitely have to talk about our body. Right? Because this is the body. It's like a car. वो चैरियट तो उन दोनों में था जब कार नहीं थे. अब हमको कार सोच सकते हैं. अब कार टिप टॉप तो रखनी पड़ेगी, है ना? इंजन भी ठीक चलना चाहिए और उसमें हमें डीजल या गैस भी सही. आप कार में जब गैस चाहिए आप डीजल डाल रहे हो, वो नहीं चलेगी. बिल्कुल ठीक है. तो क्या डालना है उसमें? अब ये क्या कि गाड़ी सारा टाइम ऑन भी नहीं रख सकते, उसको रेस्ट भी देना है. बिल्कुल ठीक है. सो वो भी है. एंड कितना माइलेज है वो भी मैटर करता है, एक्सरसाइज. सो डेफिनेटली बॉडी इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay, and we are going to address that. Now, our body, you not believe it, has made up of about 100 trillion cells. Okay, and we have about 11 important organ systems. Our 3 most important organ systems are our cardiovascular system, which includes our heart, our respiratory system, which includes our lungs, and our nervous system, brain and nerves. Right. तो अब इसको कैसे ठीक रखा जाए? Now, as I see it, there are 3 aspects to physical health also. जैसे mental health के लिए attitude, thoughts and stress-free existence है, वैसे ही physical health के लिए there are 3 aspects. So first is the nourishment you give the body. And the second is if you are giving it the right activity. Okay, energizing exercise. Now, exercise itself, सुनते ही थकान आ जाती है. So, I'm not going to use the word exercise. Okay, energizing activity. क्या है activity? Okay, and then rejuvenating rest. Okay, we all need some rest. After all, it's a body, it's a physical structure. Okay, but the reason we don't want to be so stuck on the body is because like our Vedas say, prakriti. That means whatever exists in a matter form will eventually deteriorate. So we have to allow it to undergo some changes with time, but we can still do things to maintain it in an optimum shape, so that it helps us carry on well.
Yeah.
Now, why is physical health so important? Because it can distress us mentally if our physical health is not. So, for example, when I was pregnant with my third child, I put on 65 pounds.
Wow.
Okay, and I started getting pain in my joints.
Mm-hmm.
तो मैंने कहा, हालांकि I was looking nice and rounded, wrinkles सब चले गए, it was beautiful. No, but the problem was I started having, what is this? And there is a family history of obesity. So I knew I needed to take care of this. And a lot of times what we do is we blame our genes. हमारे तो genetic ही है ऐसे. But, there are studies which have looked into it. And what they have shown is कि अगर twins लिए, one is growing up in America and the other one is in, say, Japan. The person who was here, because of the wrong eating habits, sedentary life, became obese, had more hypertension and heart problems. So you cannot blame it all on your genes.
Right.
Okay, you have to take responsibility. Even Buddha said, everybody is responsible for your health and disease. So the first and most important thing is, yes, I'm facing this problem, I have to correct it. So we will, in our section when we deal with the body, talk about how we're going to eat, how are we going to exercise, and how are we going to sleep restfully so that we can keep our body in an optimum shape. Now, in the meantime, what I'd encourage my viewers to do is go to my website and click on body. And उसमें आप अपना weight and height डालिए, तो आपको it will give you a number called BMI. Okay? And BMI is an important aspect because it tells you if you're overweight. Okay, and we will dedicate a section subsequently in which we will talk about how, I lost 65 pounds and I have been able to keep it off for 15 years and my weight is steady. Okay, right. And how do you maintain that? Even when you're aging, what changes you bring in your metabolism so that you're not having to deal with this obesity? And obesity doesn't end with just
obesity.
Because now they have shown what's called a metabolic disease syndrome. There is a higher incidence of type 2 diabetes. एंड डायबिटीज के साथ आपको मालूम है कि आपकी आईज अफेक्ट हो सकती है, आपकी किडनीज अफेक्ट हो सकती हैं. हाइपरटेंशन, हाइपरलिपिडीमिया इज अनदर थिंग व्हिच इज एसोसिएटेड विद ओबेसिटी. उसके साथ हार्ट अटैक के चांसेस, स्ट्रोक के चांसेस. सो मतलब बिल्कुल इट्स लाइक डूम्स.
ओबेसिटी कम अदर थिंग.
एग्जैक्टली. सो एज यू कैन सी फिजिकल हेल्थ को मेंटेन करना, बिकॉज उससे क्या होगा, मेंटल डिस्ट्रेस तो आएगा ही. इफ आई हैविंग टू डील विद सो मेनी इश्यूज, पेन में हो आप, जॉइंट पेन्स की वजह से, या ये है, दवाइयां लेनी पड़ रही हैं, आपको स्ट्रोक हो जाता है, गॉड फॉरबिड, तो फिर आप यू हैव टू डील विद इमोबाइल बॉडी. व्हाई हैव टू डील विद इट? यू कैन टेक स्टेप्स नाउ.
Right.
And although we will deal in detail about all of this, one very simple thing that we all can start doing right now, even before we get to that section subsequently some weeks down, is pay attention to the amount of water we take. We have to realize that 55 to 60% of our body is water.
Yeah.
So a lot of times we have neglected our thirst and we have replaced it with food. तो मोटापा चढ़ता जाता है और हमारी body is got a very unhealthy composition. And you can cure, actually now they're realizing just by taking adequate amounts of water, you can cure a lot of your underlying health problems. So normally they say 6 to 8 glasses. The problem is, yaad kaun kare 6 to 8? So I have followed very simple, and it will also help you reduce your appetite and not take too much food if you don't need to. I start my day with 2 glasses of water. Okay? And with each meal, I take a glass. So total 5 हो गए.
जी.
अच्छा, 1 glass of water with exercise and 1 after dinner. So मेरे 6 to 8 glasses ऐसे हो जाते हैं. So you tie it with something that you know you're going to do. खाना तो छोड़ोगे नहीं आप
जी,
तो कम से कम साथ में पानी भी पी लीजिए.
What I like the best is कि very simply she simplifies the problem very easily. 6 ग्लास इतने बड़े साउंड करते हैं, but you said अरे ऐसे वैसे वैसे. That she has put on 65 kgs which looks lovely and very slim. तो अगर ज्यादा जानना चाहते हैं डॉक्टर बिंदिया के बारे में, बॉडी के बारे में, तो आप जाएं healthycenter.org एंड बॉडी क्लिक कीजिए, आपको पता चलेगा. आप ज्यादा जानकारी जान सकते हैं इन सब चीजों के बारे में. फिलहाल हमने बात की कार की और आपने बोला गाड़ियों के बारे में, तो लेट्स हियर दिस नेक्स्ट सॉन्ग विच इज मुसाफिर हूँ यारो.
बिल्कुल,
बहुत ही प्यारा गाना है.
Yes.
आप सुनिए ये गाना और वापस आइए ऑन जिंदगी हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग विथ डॉक्टर बिंदिया. मैं हूँ स्वाति और हम बात कर रहे हैं हेल्थ और वेलबींग के बारे में. कम राइट बैक फॉर दिस वेरी नाइस सेशन विद डॉक्टर बिंदिया. जिए जा. लिसनर्स, मुसाफिर तो हम सब हैं ही और आप सफर कर रहे हैं वेल बीइंग और हेल्थ के शो पे, जो कि प्रेजेंटेड बाय स्वाति विथ डॉक्टर बिंदिया। और हम बात कर रहे हैं, अब मैं अपने शो को ले जा रही हूँ एकदम 3D की तरफ। तो तीसरा डिमेंशन क्या है? वी स्पोक अबाउट माइंड, वी स्पोक अबाउट बॉडी, व्हाट इज द थर्ड डिमेंशन ऑफ वेल बीइंग एंड टोटल हेल्थ?
So as I see it, it's the soul or the spiritual health. आपने गौतम बुद्धा की स्टोरी तो सुनी होगी, you know, about 2500 years ago, he was a young man who was born into a very rich family. He was a prince. He had everything, beautiful body, everything that you can think of, you know, fame, money, all the personality traits that should have kept him happy and content in a state of well-being. But he came across a dying man, a crippled man, and a beggar. And he was very distressed. तो what does it tell you? कि आपको बेस्ट बॉडी होते हुए, बेस्ट मेंटल स्टेट होते हुए, you can get distressed by something. Your mind can be thrown out of shape by some situation in life, by some circumstance.
बिल्कुल.
तो उस स्टेट में what will you use to get back on track? So when your body and mind are feeling, then you have to hang your hat somewhere. And that's when you find your spirit, when you find your soul. And Gautam Buddha nikal pade, sab kuch chhod ke. Okay, and he went to seek that higher self. Okay, and कहते हैं बुद्धा क्यों कहते हैं? जो बोध को प्राप्त कर ले. What is बोध? It's the pure, true, highest intelligence and existence that we have.
Right.
And you can actually perceive it. It's called nirvana or enlightenment by people. You know, saints give it a mystic sense. But you, while you are still living in a grast ashram, feel it and perceive it by simply transcending your mind and reaching a super consciousness. So that we will talk about in our spiritual health. But why should you do this? You know, not only is it because if you may say, you know what, I'm not going to lose my mind. Maybe I'm not going to react that way. I'm going to keep my mind under control. So there was these studies which were done in people who say got sick with something, or there were people who have faith and who don't have faith. And they realized that the longevity, recovery from illnesses, and overall well-being was much better in those who had faith.
Right.
So it doesn't necessarily have to be religion. You know, you don't necessarily have to say, okay, I'm very religious. And a lot of people are religious but not spiritual. What you have to try in being spiritual, to realize that spirit is that transcend your mind, rise above your mind, and get in touch with your higher self. And you want to do that because that has access to the powers of the universe, and you can actually access anything and everything in life.
Right.
Even Albert Einstein, and I think he's one of the greatest scientists of the century. He said, I want to know God's thoughts. The rest are details. So इतना बड़ा आदमी गॉड की बात कर रहा है. अब आप ये भी सोचिए, our father of nation कौन है? गांधी जी. अब उन दिनों जब वो फादर ऑफ नेशन बनाए गए थे, टाटा, बिरला, मोदी वर वेरी फेमस पीपल, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, और दिलीप कुमार, somebody has a physique, somebody has the mental this, yeah. मगर गांधी जी क्यों? Why Martin Luther King is so famous? Why is Mother Teresa like an evergreen personality? Because they illuminate the soul. Okay, the traits of illuminated soul are pure character. The traits of mind is personality, and the traits of a beautiful body is a physique. So you can have a combination of all, but you can see when you illuminate your soul, when you are in touch with your spirit, how beautiful and appreciative you get. And what you will feel when you're in touch with your soul is peace, joy, love. Unconditional love. It doesn't matter who you are, what you are, you'll feel unconditional. And it's a beautiful feeling. You do not want to leave this world without feeling that. And Iyengar, our yoga teacher in Pune, has said it very well. Normally, we are thoughtlessly thoughtful. Enlightenment is being thoughtfully thoughtless. Because in that state, you are in touch with your soul, and that soul is in touch with the super soul. Atma Paramatma se milti hai, and you are in complete bliss. So I hope that my listeners can start heading in that direction and seek the grace and blessing of the higher soul. And I would actually like to bring in this song at this time, one of my favorite songs, because we're asking for strength and courage from a higher soul. Itni Shakti Hame Dena Data. कि मन का विश्वास कम ना हो हमारा।
जी, आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो जिंदगी और शो का नाम है जिंदगी हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग विथ डॉक्टर बिंदिया। डॉक्टर बिंदिया के बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए healthycenter.org पे जरूर लॉग इन कीजिए, एंजॉय कीजिए ये प्यारा सा गाना, क्योंकि जब हम वापस आएंगे तो हम बात करेंगे थोड़ी हेल्थ टिप्स के बारे में। मैं बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेटिव जानकारी आपके लिए लेके आऊंगी ओनली ऑन जिंदगी हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग विथ डॉक्टर बिंदिया। जिए जा। बैक लिसनर्स, अनफॉर्चुनेटली इस वीक के लिए टाइम हमारा खत्म हो चुका है जिंदगी हेल्थ एंड वेलबींग